Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Thanks for joining me. Okay, I just scraped up something that I was working on and now I'm just blending it all together. So before we jump into today's video, which I have no idea what we're going to actually do, we're just going to do something. And you guys can watch me try and create something when I have nothing in mind. Anyway, last video I went over the spinner sale that we're doing with the, if you buy the OG, which is this one here on my table, you get a free mini, and then if you buy the X spinner, which is this attachment, you get a free mini as well. I'll direct link the products in the description under this video, but I did get a lot of questions because I forgot to mention you don't need a coupon code or anything like that. You'll see on the product page that there's like a ribbon on the picture that says free mini with, you know, the purchase. So you just add it into your cart, check your shipping quote if you're happy enough, purchase, and you'll get a free mini while stocks last. So when that ribbon's gone, the sale is over. And we're just doing it while stock lasts on the mini until we restock. Okay. We are going to push this up here because I have no idea what I'm going to do with it. And somehow we're going to use it in this painting. And I really need to mix up more paint. So I'm kind of don't have a lot of choices currently, but I wanted to paint today, so that's what we're doing. I didn't want today to be mixing day. Right. Let's see. See if I could turn this into something. All right, let's spin this. Okay, kind of a cool background. Right, so I have my slotted shovel that I got from fluidart.co. I'm going to fill it with some shimmery pigments by this little piggy. All right, so we have some mermaid. So I'm trying to fill it up to the edge. Let's go gilded. And some golden peach. Ballet slipper. Put some more golden peach. Okay, so there's that. Okay, what am I gonna do? All right, we're gonna spin it, obviously. And then I'm gonna go back and get some confetti drips. And then we're going to stop and we're going to say, don't know. Hmm. Flip that over so it drips out. Okay. So see how this kind of blowout is underneath? I'm thinking I might do one on top and this side. Let's try it and then before we scrape it. See, I already know I'm gonna end up scraping it. Maybe. Maybe not. Maybe not. Maybe not. Maybe not. I like how the underneath blowout looks. It's kind of trippy. I just feel like we need something on top of the circles. So I'm going to blow this out. I like it, but I don't like that color that I added in this mix. So I'm going to try and sort that out. It's very layered, a lot of dimensions. So with that blowout underneath and then this one on top, it looks really cool. It's very ripply looking over there. I like that. I could see myself playing with this again, but just being smarter with the color palettes. Definitely. I gotta fix this though. I don't know how I'm gonna do that. Okay. I think even just a solid color there might look cool. Okay. That one's done. Let's pour some Prussian Blue by Amsterdam. Okay, we're going to make this really dark, a dark side. Let's see. Oh, cool. All right, let me put this off over here. And let's put in I'm just going to squirt this one. Just a little bit of golden peach. Just a little. For some highlights. Shimmery highlights. Let's just blow this around. That's wild. And of course I got cells popping up. This one's gonna look interesting when it dries. Can't wait to see it. So I am not gonna do that. This is so random. Okay, agree with me. We could definitely do something with this. I think it was good execution. I just need to be better at choosing a color palette for this. But it's really interesting. It's crazy and chaotic just like myself, so. But I love that. It's just like a split. So much depth. I love the underneath blowout and how it looks. All ripply. And then you have this like either coming to take over or whatever. But it looks, I can't wait to see it dry. Call me crazy. But yeah, let me know what you guys think. If I should keep playing with this and just be smarter with the color choices, or drop me some recommendations what you guys think about the color choices. It's so random. It's kind of cool though. Definitely gonna let this dry and we'll show you guys what it looks like when it's dry. Okay, talk soon. Bye.